Okay, for 5 weeks in a row, we've had this beard here at church with the Beard's Nest. I didn't get photos of it last week, the 4th week. Kind of skipped it because I had other stuff on the camera. I didn't have enough memory right then. But this is the 5th week that I have seen the beard here. This is a dove. Normally it would just stay right there in the nest, but now it's moving around. It's all up the nest. Eggs are probably in it. What do I see? 2 bears. Is there? I see something here. Oh yeah, looks like the mother beard there on the nest, and I guess that's the father beard right there. Yeah, she probably has eggs under it. I don't know exactly. Yeah, the eggs are probably getting ready to hatch pretty soon, I imagine. Yeah, I better just leave them alone. I still don't think that that was a very good place to have the nest, because you had noise around here. People roaming around. Yeah. Yeah, just one last little look at them. Oh. They might like to be sleeping right now.